everybody. Is it raining where you are today? Sometimes it's hard to find things to do on a rainy day, but I was thinking about this poem that's about rain, and it has some actions, and maybe you could do it with me now. It goes like this. Rain on the green grass, rain on the tree, rain on the housetop, but not on me. Here's another thing that you can do in the rain. I have something to show you. Do you know what this is? This is called a Rainstick. Listen to what happens when I turn it over. Oh my goodness, listen how hard it's raining. And now it's stopping. You could make a rain stick, maybe not quite as big as this one, but you can make it with things that you have in your house. So I'm going to show you how. Here's my homemade rain stick, and it has the same kind of sound as the big one. Do you hear that soft sound of rain? Here's what you need to make it. You need an empty paper towel tube, and you need 3 pieces of foil about this size. And we're going to make some worms out of those pieces of foil. We're going to crumple each one up, just scrunch it up, doesn't have to be fancy. And then you're going to put all 3 of them down inside your paper towel tube like that. Then you're going to take some other paper. It could be construction paper or wrapping paper, whatever you have. And you're going to trace a big circle, bigger than the end of your paper towel tube, okay? And then each of those circles, you're going to make 2 of them, and each one you're going to make a little snip around it so that when you go to put it over the end of your tube, it folds down flat. And then you can use some tape to fasten that around one end. So you've got your foil inside, you've got one end covered, and then you're going to take a bit of dry uncooked rice and pour it in, and then carefully, keeping it right side up, you're going to put the other snipped circle on the other end. Maybe you'll need some help with this part. And tape it up so the rice is trapped inside, and then when you have both ends covered up, you have a rain stick, and you can make the sound of the rain too.